With the recent purchase of Piraeus Bank of Egypt, Ahli Bank of Kuwait keeps broadening its horizons. The company has been awarded Retail Bank of the Year in Kuwait. Stewart Lockie, General Manager Retail, joined us today to discuss the retail strategy. Welcome.
Good morning.
So tell us about how ABK started.
Well, ABK's journey is from 1967, when it was established. It became the fourth commercial bank in Kuwait under a Emiri decree. Within 10 years, it had 10 branches domestically within Kuwait. It became the first Kuwaiti bank to set up operations in the UAE. And since from there, it's gone predominantly domestically from strength to strength. And more recently, with the acquisition of Piraeus Bank in Egypt, giving ABK a greater regional footprint. So
the bank was founded in 1967, almost 50 years ago. Which one would you say is your biggest achievement since then?
I think it has to be the recent acquisition of Piraeus Bank in Egypt. The way that the team came together, pulled the acquisition together in a short space of time to really make a clear intent of our regional intentions. A branch network of 41 branches in Egypt make it a really positive acquisition for the bank. I think everyone's chuffed to bits.
So what has your strategy been to reduce times and improve account opening experience?
Okay, one of the questions I'm always challenged with and I always look at is how can I make the customer's journey a lot more easier and simplified. One of the things that the CEO always challenges me on is what do you want retail to stand for? The core values that the bank developed last year, transparency, integrity, simplicity and excellence, these are the foundations that run through the core of the organisation. So I took that and we looked at the account opening experience for our customer. Currently, or previously, it was a very long-winded process. You know, a couple of days to complete the process. Maybe the customer would have to sign at least 9 times. So we wanted the customer's onboarding experience to be their first experience, to really make a statement that ABK was trying to simplify this. So we've managed to get it down to 3 pages, 2 signatures and 6 minutes. And this is one thing that we're really proud of, and already the feedback's coming in. And this is just a stepping stone, because I think the challenge for anything is it's very easy to say we're going to make it simple. It's another thing completely to actually bring it to life. So to be able to do this is the first part of a retail journey. The next step will be to look at the customer doesn't only walk out with their account number, but they walk out with their debit card or credit card within the same period of time.
And you also give great importance to corporate social responsibility. You've sponsored marathons, you're raising cancer awareness. What are your next projects?
Okay, I mean, one of the things that we wanted to do as a team in ABK was really take a project to our heart, rather than focus on a great number of areas, look at one specific area that we really wanted to work with the community and make a difference. One thing that we'll be doing in 2016 is looking at how we can support the disabled community within Kuwait and how we can work together to actually provide better services and offerings for those guys. So there's already the marathon was just a stepping stone, and next year we'll see a number of initiatives come forward where ABK will be working very closely with that segment. Your
partnership with Emirates Airline and ABK credit cards has proved very successful. Can you tell us more about this alliance?
Well, we're chuffed to bits with this partnership. It started in 2002. It was the second global co-branded credit card with Emirates. We started in the first year where we awarded 14 million air miles. This year, I've just awarded a customer the 1 billionth mile. So it's one of the longest standing co-brands globally. It's been the longest one in Kuwait by far. Our customers' feedback is they absolutely love it. And the relationship just goes from strength to strength. People like being associated with big brands. ABK is a big brand, Emirates is a big brand. So to be able to bring those two together is just a fantastic offering for the clients.
Yeah. What are your goals for the coming year, for 2016?
Well, I think it's pretty obvious that we need to keep working on the simplicity. There's a number of things we can do there. Recently, the central bank governor of Kuwait talked very much about how we need to work closely with technology, and I think we'll be looking forward to working with the central bank to provide more innovative solutions for our customers, whether that's through the mobile banking platform, the online banking platform, but just making wherever the customers touch us the most easiest experience as it possibly can be. So that's the challenge.
Well, good luck with that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you very much.